Ohio, Ayumi J po. Guess what? For the fourth time since I arrived here in Tokyo, I'm having beef again. Para naging beef paradise ang Tokyo sa akin. So far, I've had beef kebab sa Harajuku, then Wagyu sirloin dinner kagabi, absolutely divine. Teppanyaki Wagyu beef naman for the brunch kanina. And now, Gyukatsu naman. Nandito ako sa Gyukatsu Motomura sa Shinjuku. Sikat dito yung Gyukatsu, which is deep fried beef cutlet. Traditionally made from Wagyu beef. Grabe guys, isa lang ang menu nila dito ha. Gyukatsu. Pwede kang pumili between 1 cutlet, 1.5, or 2 cutlets. Nag-order ako ng 1 cutlet, perfect for my hearty appetite. Ito yung amazing sa Gyukatsu Motomura. The beef cutlet comes lightly breaded and undercooked. So ikaw mismo yung magluluto sa hot stone grill right at your table. Each person may sariling grill. And don't worry, the server will light it for you. Tingnan mo to, ikaw ang may control kung gaano kakaluto ang gusto mo sa order mo. Perfect para sa meat lovers tulad ko na enjoy ang hands-on experience with their food. Grabe, ang sarap, juicy, tender at tamang-tama yung crispiness. Sulit talaga ang experience. Kaya kung nandito kayo sa Tokyo, highly recommended ang Gyukatsu. Dito sa Shinjuku or Gyukatsu Motomura for some mouth-watering Gyukatsu. Hindi kayo madidisappoint. Thanks sa pagsama sa akin dito sa Tokyo Food Adventure na to. Kung nagustuhan ninyo itong video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit that follow button for more delicious experiences around Japan and beyond. See you! Mata ne!